Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through the basics of an HTML file. To begin with, all HTML files begin, or end actually, with the HTML extension. So in this case, our web page is going to be called index.html. When we look at an HTML file, anything that begins with an opening angle, exclamation point, and a dash dash signifies that this is a comment, and thus any code between that and the closing dashes and arrow will not be processed by a web browser. That way we can use it to comment out code that we're still testing, or also to just help us better understand the code we wrote. Starting with HTML5, the head, HTML, and body tags no longer need to be declared, but in case you're looking at older site code, it's good to understand what they are. Beginning with the HTML tag, this tells the web browser when the web page begins and when it ends. The head tag contains metadata about a particular web page. This can include the name of your website or links to external style sheets and external scripts for your website. The body tag contains content of your actual web page. This will always be where the content that the user actually sees or is rendered to the web page. To show you a few basic HTML elements, we begin first with the title tag. This is what we usually will use to name the title of our website. So right now, if we check our web page without the title tag defined, we see that it's called index.html. But by adding the title tag in, we see that we changed the name of our website. Going into the actual body, we can add header tags. Here, header tags are any text contained within an opening and closing H1 or H2 tag. And as we increase the number, the actual size of the text decreases. So if we add this in and refresh, we can see here, this is an example header, followed here, and as we increase the number, we get a smaller and smaller header. So for example, you can use an H1 tag for the title of an article, and an H2 tag as a subtitle. Additional elements that you might want to use in your actual website might be a horizontal ruler. What this does is generates a horizontal line that goes across your web page. You can use this to break up your content. Most text ever displayed to an end user, however, is going to be through the paragraph tag. You use this to surround any text that you would like to display output to the user. So here's an example of a paragraph tag. And if you'd like to add basic styling, we can do so with the bold and italics tag. Here we can see there's no formatting on this text, followed by the opening and closing B tags to make the text bold, and EM to make the text italicized. This is a quick preview of basic understandings of an HTML web page. If you liked the video or if you have any suggestions, please consider leaving a comment and subscribing to the channel.